Hello interwebs and welcome back. I'm Shanna and this is where I share my life and stories and adventures and opinions and whatever else I feel like. And this is another random Japan vlog. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So my hair's still a little wet, so try and ignore that, but I'll be heading out here shortly to meet Katie. We are going to a free cooking class here in Kyoto, and I was gonna bring my real camera and set it up and have, like, you know, fun time lapses and stuff, but I forgot to charge the battery. So hopefully I'll be able to get something good on my phone. I'm not sure because I don't really know what it is. She just invited me, so we'll see. But hopefully it goes well. So let's go cook some stuff.
Alright, Katie, you're up. Your turn. Show us your slicing skills, Katie.
Non-existent slicing skills.
Alright, Katie.
That is no technique, I think, is what comes out of this. It's not a competition!
Or is it?
Oh, really? Oh, so I was wrong. Why? But why did they call it usuku? Light.
For the color,
sorry,
not the taste.
Good ask.
Oh.
I just always assumed usuku is lighter. But I guess it's for decorative cooking. You don't want people other than black. Nihongo, shoyu, shio, sugar.
I'll be your cue. I'll be your cue to get a good picture.
Oh yeah.
Wow, the chili manjako looks fantastic.
You better shape it perfectly. A little bit more hair than this guy.
You know, we're aiming for Mount Fuji.
Okay, we're going to Mount Fuji. Got it.
Yum?
Yeah, right?
That's it. That's it. And these are going to be at the very beginning $50. Very reasonable. 5,000.
Once I was the student. Now I'm the teacher. No, I'll mention it to Blake because he's doing a couple of things.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That is a good one.
Beautiful, Katie.
Wow. Is that your first time? That's incredible for first go.
That's nice. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Straight through.
I should have gone before.
Pressure's on.
That's been established.
This because it's Kyoto, come to comply with.
How do you approach research on this?
Sake. Look at that beautiful. Oh god, yes.
Jiru soup in Japanese. Kasu is a very interesting word in Japanese. It means garbage.
Garbage soup. I'm into it.
It's the garbage of the sake. But it's the sentiment. It's actually. You know when you go to ramen, you get all those little like leftover tempura bits? It's called tenkasu. Like tempura garbage.
Wow.
Good teacher? She's laughing at me. Good.
Yeah, but it's true.
It's true.
Sensei.
To Keiko Sensei.
Keiko Sensei!
Bye. Thank you for a wonderful lesson.
Thank you so much.
My usual sort.
Alright.
Oh.
Itadakimasu.
If you want to pass me your plates, I'll put some salad for you.
Aww. So, altogether, we made 3 main dishes. We made kashijiru, which is the soup, dashimaki, which is the rolled egg, and takikomi gohan, which was the rice with meat dish, where I took the meat out, and the rice, however, with the sauce stuff that we made was on point. So this dinner thing is actually a business that one of my friends is planning on starting soon. I didn't realize that I knew the person who was running this when Katie invited me, but once I have more details on that and everything is up and running, I will definitely share it with you because it was a really fun experience. And next, the clips that I'm going to share are some of the goals that I asked some of my students to write down. And they're really, really cute, so take a moment to kind of read them and look over them. Let's take a look. Next, snow, karaoke, and clubs, where I'm probably going to have to take out the music in those clips because I don't want the copyright claim, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and go. It was literally sunny a minute ago before I went to the bathroom. Wow. Dude, it'd be so cool if the snow built up here.
Everybody just have a good time.
And that pretty much wraps it up for this one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know what to comment down below, leave some music emojis or tell me what your current goal is. Not only does that let me know that you were here and give us a little bit of a chance to chat, but it also really helps my channel because it helps with the algorithm. So thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you next time. Bye!
That's your cardio for today, guys. You're welcome.
We only burned 7 calories!
Lies! It's a lie.
No way.
It wasn't counting that we were like moving around and stuff. It's just like.